Hello, welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this specific video we're going to go through this M235, M240 all the way. This is an old school engine, should we say, but if you're getting these fault codes, engine oil pressure sensor, this code and this code, and if you're getting drivetrain warning on there with oil pressure warning and whatnot, I'll tell you exactly where it is. This is just a rough. You've got to understand, every game in the mechanic world is a rough estimate, like where you point your finger at. It's rough, it's not going to be 100% accurate, but in this case these fault codes goes back to this sensor here. So if I unplug it, it goes back to this sensor here. I'll try and zoom in so you can get the part number. So the car's all fine, the oil pump, everything's fine, the filters in there fine, there's no issues, everything's been checked. It turns out this in here, we're getting the correct voltages, no issues as well, so that's what you need to check for. It's this sensor that's knackered and packed in. It's not expensive. I recommend you get OEM original genuine part number, like part rather than aftermarket. Put it on, it's literally bolt on, bolt off. Just make sure the engine hasn't been ran, so there's no oil, so it's for it to spill out. Plug it in, and then once you do, just do a full scan and clear, in other words, and that should cure it. But that's what these mean, and that's where it is. In your case, it may be not. It may be something completely different that's faulty, so it may be not that or something else. But reality is that code here goes back to that sensor 90% of the time.